Today we're diving into an in-depth review of the all-new Snacktime Sling by Data Crew. Priced at $225, this versatile sling is designed for the everyday carry enthusiast who values both functionality and style. First, let's talk specs. The overall size of the sling is 11 inches by 16 inches by 3 inches, offering a capacity of 3.25 liters. The interior space measures 198 cubic inches, and the sling itself is impressively lightweight at just 0.38 pounds or 6.8 ounces. Crafted with durability in mind, the outer shell is now made with the all-new XPAC X50 tactical material, while the inner liner features 200D nylon pack cloth. The closure mechanism is a Fidlock V-Buckle 40 number 2, black flap with a convenient pull tab. The construction utilizes number 69 mil-spec sewing nylon thread, ensuring longevity and resilience. Additionally, the zippers are YKK number 5 AquaGuard, providing water-resistant protection. One of the standout features of the Snacktime Sling is its modular interior design. It includes a Velcro-backed detachable valet tray and a removable 2-finger ringer insert that fits seamlessly into the tray, offering customizable organization. Exclusively included with the sling is the Magnum Re, also known as a Ranger Eye, of the Gray Pocket Reaper, a unique addition that is not sold separately. What I particularly love about this sling is the new hook and loop panel on the front. It feels much more premium compared to the previous version. Another upgrade is the Fidlock magnetic clasp, which is more convenient and secure than the clasp on the version 1. Thanks to the wider base, the sling stands on its own effortlessly. Unlike version 1, you don't need to pack it out fully to achieve this stability. While the overall design is excellent, I do have a couple suggestions. A high visibility orange interior would make spotting gear much easier. This is also a personal preference of mine, but I do prefer it over the current design. Although it's not a deal breaker, it was a feature that I really appreciated on the version 1. Another minor gripe is the absence of silent zipper pulls throughout the sling. Only the front zipper has the shrink wrap paracord, so I had to add my own paracord pulls to achieve a full stealthy feel. Despite these minor preferences, the Snacktime Sling is undoubtedly the best sling for 2024. It's perfect for EDC enthusiasts who need a centralized place for their gear without overloading their pockets. Whether you're traveling or just heading out for the day, this sling meets all your needs. Thank you to Data Crew for sending this Snacktime Sling over. It's a remarkable piece of gear that combines practicality with premium craftsmanship. For anyone looking to upgrade their everyday carry setup, this sling is definitely worth considering. Be sure to join the Data Crew Super Secret Club so that way you can get early access to all of their releases. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gear reviews and EDC tips. Thanks for watching. Peace out.